Hello everyone, I am Aubrey from Philippines. In this video, I'll be teaching you the greetings with the word maganda and maganda as a describing word. If you have some questions, you want to know more, you can shoot me a line here in tagalog@gmail.com or WhatsApp number. Maganda as used as greeting and describing word. Okay, here we go. We use the word po to show respect. So maganda as adjective, it means beautiful, nice, good, and ng is the connector. So here we go. Magandang araw po, good day. Magandang umaga po, good morning. Magandang tanghali po, good noon. Magandang hapon po, good afternoon. Magandang gabi po, good evening. So we say it like this. Magandang araw po, magandang araw po. Okay, so in Tagalog, there is no silent letter. So you can read it all like maganda. With the ng, okay, magandang. Like sang, sing, like that. Magandang araw po. Magandang araw po. Magandang umaga po. We say magandang tanghali po. Magandang hapon po. Magandang gabi po. Okay, so magandang dang, like sing, sang. Okay, magandang. But when you only say that this thing is beautiful or nice, you can simply use the word maganda. Okay, maganda means, yeah, nice, beautiful. Okay, here, maganda as described on word. So, maganda ako. I am beautiful. Maganda ka. You are beautiful. Maganda siya. She is beautiful. Maganda ang bahay. The house is beautiful. Maganda ang kotse. So, maganda ako. Maganda ka. Maganda siya. Maganda ang bahay. Maganda ang kotse. Or sometimes we say it kotse by Spanish word. So, maganda. Maganda ang kotse. Maganda ang bahay. Maganda siya. Okay? Siya. Siya it's like SH. Siya. Maganda siya. Maganda ka. Ka is you. Maganda ako. Ako is I am. Okay, more of words as maganda. We use more of maganda word as describing. Okay, maganda ang dagat. Beautiful sea because the ang here is the particle the. Maganda ang dagat. It is reversed in English. You say beautiful. You can also say beautiful sea, beautiful shore. It's a phrase. Magandang dagat. Magandang halaman. Halaman means plant. Maganda ang bata. Ang, like sang, sing, maganda ang bata. Maganda ang bata. The kid or child is pretty. Magandang Pilipinas. Maganda ang bundok. Bundok means mountain. Maganda ang dagat. Maganda ang halaman. Maganda ang bata. Maganda ang Pilipinas. Maganda ang bundok. Okay, here again. Magandang mukha. Beautiful face. Magandang mukha. Maganda ang damit. Nice clothes. So you can use the word maganda to describe noun. Okay, people, things, feelings. Okay, maganda ang sapatos. Nice shoes. Maganda ang bag. Maganda ang bulaklak. So actually in Tagalog, it's so easy to learn. All you have to do is to just learn the vocabulary. So easy to make some phrases, sentences, but you have to remember the adjectives or the words. So again, maganda ang mukha. Maganda ang mukha. Maganda ang damit. Maganda ang sapatos. Maganda ang bag. Maganda ang bulaklak. All right. That's it for this in this